and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make survival kits for your kids for back to school. I'm going to do one for my daughter and then I'm going to do one for my son. But before we get into the video, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. If not, go ahead and subscribe now. Make sure you are following me on Instagram, and also if you would like to follow my vlog channel, that is linked in the description as well. So let's get into the video. Okay guys, so here are all the items that I have for my daughter's survival kit for back to school. So I'm actually going to take this out of the pack, but this is just a notepad that I got from Dollar Tree. Just so she could write notes, anything that she's feeling, anything that she wants to remember to tell me when she gets home. She can have this. We have an extra pair of leggings, some deodorant, also some cleansing cloths for 2 reasons, and we'll get into that shortly. Hand lotion or body lotion, hand sanitizer, some lip balm. I'm going to take this out of the pack so it fits better in the little case. If you guys recognize this case, this is our case that I got with the Allure Beauty Box. We also have some tissues, which I will consistently replace. I'm putting in some bandages for her so she won't have to worry about going to the office. Couple hair ties. Okay, so we're just going to put them all in this little bag here. I have these things come in real handy. I have a ton of them. The other ones I'm using for my receipts for the year. And I gave a couple of them to Autumn. Sorry, my hair. I was blow drying my hair in here. So first and foremost, let me show you how I fold her leggings really small to get them in there. And these aren't her leggings that she would want to wear on a regular basis. She very seldomly wears these, which is why I'm putting them in her survival kit. And I will like trade them out with other leggings as she uses them. Now, I thought about doing the survival kit this year for several reasons. One being that developmentally, she's at the point where she can start her cycle according to the doctor at any moment. Doctor said 11. I say any moment because everyone in this family does everything faster than the suggested time. So I want her to be prepared. I don't want her, in class something happens and then she has nothing and has to sit in the office getting someone else's clothes or waiting for me to bring her more clothes. I'm also going to put an extra pair of underwear in here for her, but you didn't need to see that because those are her personal things. And I'm also going to put a sanitary napkin and panty liners in here as well. Again, too personal for me to add in here. So I put everything in here earlier, so I think the cleansing cloths and the leggings will actually be in another bag, like in the front of her backpack or something like that. But I wanted something small enough that could fit in her backpack and be personal. However, I am going to send another survival kit for her in the office, so they have for her, but that one is going to have like some pain pills and things like that in there. So I just find a way to fit everything in here neatly. I'm a little obsessive compulsive. You guys know this about me already. I'd rather have the hand sanitizer standing up so it doesn't spill out. Put the lip balm, because every time, and this works because every time I give them lip balm, they always lose it somehow. So if it's in her little pack here, then hopefully it won't get too lost, And we stick that in there like that. Oop, the hair ties. So I thought this would be fun to do, you know, quick video. I have so much going on this week. My kids start school next week. So, yeah. I thought about this and I thought maybe this would be cool to share with you guys, you know, some moms and dads that haven't really thought about it. But, you know, now that I showed you the video, maybe you'll think about making a little kit for your kids. So again, this one is for my daughter. We have her cleansing cloths, and this, again, like I said, if she starts a cycle or anything like that, she has to change her underwear. You know, and she doesn't get too messy, she could use these. Also, my daughter doesn't like to go number 2 unless she has some kind of wipes. So for that, also extra leggings. Again, I will be adding a pair of her underwear as well as some sanitary pads and panty liners in here. So this is for my girl, the survival kit for my girl. If you have a different pouch or something that you want to use, I was just trying to find something easy and convenient that could fit into her backpack, and this will definitely fit right into her backpack and no one has to know what's in it. She could just, you know, if she has to go to the restroom, she could just take this out, go to the restroom, do what she has to do. I will leave like another grocery bag or something. I'll fold it up real small, put in here for like her dirty laundry or anything like that, so she could bring it. She could just throw that in her backpack. Again, nobody has to know her business. The way the cubbies are set up, she can grab everything she needs, put everything back, and no one in her class will even know what's going on unless she mentions it. So I think this is very helpful. It's going to be very helpful for her throughout the year. And again, the notepad, just to have something, because there are things that go on or she dealt with last year that she was afraid to talk about. So notes to teacher, notes to principal, notes to mom when she gets home, and she could show me the notepad and we could talk about it, you know what I mean, when she gets home. So I am happy about this. So let's get into the one that I'm doing for my boy. Okay, so for Cam, this is going to be a little bit different because he's in middle school and he doesn't need as much as her. He has gym, so he always has extra clothes anyway, so I don't need to do that. But for him, I will be doing some of the same things. I just have to find a bag or something to put it in. And sorry about the noise, guys. My neighbor is mowing her lawn, so it's really loud. Hand sanitizer for him. His favorite color is green, if you guys didn't know that. So he has this green one. For my high schooler, things will be different for him. He always carries like so much stuff in his bag, so I don't really have to worry about him this year. But band-aids for him as well, deodorant for him as well, tissue for him as well. He always keeps lip balm, so that's not something I have to worry about. But this year I'm gonna make sure he has his brush, because after gym class, I think he has gym second trimester, so after gym class, after the shower and everything, he has his brush. But this is basically what I'm sending for my boy. If he needs anything else, I will add it. But like I said, he's in middle school. He already knows to bring extra clothes and stuff like that, so I really don't have to worry about that. And they have real lockers in middle school, so these kind of things he could just keep in his locker. Unlike her, they have cubbies, so her stuff will have to stay in her backpack. And in middle school, they don't share lockers, so that's really good. But let me know if you like these ideas, guys. If you're making any for your kids, let me know what you're putting in your kids survival kit. I'm pretty happy with mine. I just need to try to find something a little bit more masculine, I guess, for Cam to put his stuff in, because he will not use one of these. So I have to find something for him. But I thought this was a great idea. All the little the hair ties, the lotion, the tissues, the hand sanitizer, lip balm, band-aids, I got all of this stuff from Dollar Tree, guys. Cam, obviously, I already had his brush. He hides it because I have so many boys in this house. I have 6 boys, for those of you who are new, and 1 little girl. So I have 7 kids. 6 still live at home. But I had his brush in my room because he doesn't like sharing any of his personal items with anyone, which is good. But that's why I have this extra brush here. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you like these little ideas. Again, if you are making one for your kids, let me know what you put in your kids survival kit for the year. Also, if you like this video, give me a big old thumbs up so I know you like these kinds of things, and I'll do more of them. Also, if you are not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and subscribe for me. Let's share these videos out so we can get to 10,000 subscribers so Nika can do the giveaway. I am still considering doing a giveaway of all the unused makeup and things like that I have, as well as the unused products that I get from my Allure beauty boxes. So comment below if that would be something you want to be a part of. Again, make sure you're following me on Instagram, and if you want to check out my vlogs or me and Grace movie review channel, that is linked below, as well as the link to my blog and my website. And until next time, bye.